Prime lens versus zoom lens. What's the difference? Hi guys, my name is Akira Karma and welcome to another episode of Photo Facts. Prime lens means that it has a fixed focal length. Essentially, it has a set angle of view that cannot be changed. So, for example, you buy a camera and your prime lens will be 50 millimeters. So, it means that beyond 50 millimeters, your lens does not have the capacity to take an image. In this case, when you are working with a prime lens, if you want to enlarge the image, you would have to move closer to your subject. So when you're working with prime lenses, you can't be stationary. You have to be moving from one place to another in order to catch more detail in your image. The key thing to remember is that your prime lenses work with lower f-stops. Remember, f-stops have to do with aperture. That means the amount of light that comes into your image. Because your prime lenses work with lower f-stops, you're going to have shallow depths of field, a blurrier background. Your subject will pop more as against the background. Your zoom lenses, unlike your prime lenses, have a variable focal length. So it means that you can buy lens that will tell you that you can take from 24 millimeters to 70 millimeters. With your zoom lens, by simply turning the lens, you have the opportunity to move optical elements inside the lens to achieve different angles of view. When you see 24 to 70 millimeter written on your lens, means that the lowest focal point is 24 and the highest focal point is 70. And in between those two numbers, you will get to work with 35 millimeter, 50 millimeter, and so forth. When you are working with your zoom lens, you can make images appear larger by turning your zoom lens in one direction, or you can fit more objects in a frame by turning the lens in the opposite direction. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. The next time you're around your photographer and you hear them say they need to switch from their prime lens to their zoom lens, now you know the difference. Well, that's all we have time for today. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.